Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can unlink Steam from Social Club in 2025, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So actually you can see we are already landed in our Social Club website, and here you will get this kind of an interface. So here you just need to be click on your profile icon into the right corner top button, and you will find out the profile icon, and you just need to click onto the account, just click to the setting. Once you come over here, then you will find out the kind of an interface. From that place you just need to click on link account. Once you click over here, then if you already linked any account, you are allowed to unlink that easily. So I am going to link any account in here. So here let's going to link this one, and once it's done, then we are getting an interface different kind of where we are allowed to unlink that link. So similarly, if you link your Steam account with this platform, you will get this kind of a unlink option. You just need to click that unlink. Once you click over here, it will quietly unlink for you. This is the easiest way. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button.